Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have the HP Sprocket printer, portable printer, that lets me print my pictures from my phone anywhere. And we're gonna open it up and see how it works. We're gonna open this up. We're not gonna open the printer up. At least I don't think. Printer. So, supposedly, it's very simple. We'll see. I don't think you're supposed to cut towards yourself, but I'm gonna do that. Yay! Oh, it's sparkly? Oh, I don't know. I thought it was solid pink. It might be sparkly. It's got like speckles on it or something. Okay, so how do we... Oh, okay. This is fun. So you pull this little tab. It says print photos in seconds and virtually anywhere. That's exciting. Let's get this party printed. I got nervous for a second because the iPad, iPhone thing is so big, but the Android one is small. I was like, does it not work for my phone? They have the app. Ha! Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's only speckled on one side. It's like a... Yeah. I don't know. It reminds me of like a turtle for some reason. But yeah. Okay, so... Goodbye, box. We just peel that off. Ooh, mystery floating hand. Oh, it's so like perfectly taped in there. Okay, then we just... Oh, this one. Ooh, okay. I'm enjoying this for some reason. Way too much. Oh. And then do we just slide it out? Sure, I didn't have to, but that's what we do. Okay, get off. Let go. Thank you. I like that this little tag is made out of, I don't know, some very nice suede-like fabric. It's kind of neat. Okay. Okay. Install app. Check. Oh, we are literally going to open it. Step 2. Load paper. Okay. Ooh. How cute and little and fancy and adorable. Normally they're just twist ties. That one's rubber, silicone. Load paper. I don't know why I'm doing this. Load paper into the thing. Okay. Paper. Oh, that was easy. Very simple. That's entertaining. Okay. Paper with the card. Load the blue card for best print quality. Okay, I can do that. Print card. Best print quality. Is that the correct direction? How do I know? Just gonna load it the way it said, right? Charge the sprocket, pin, charge when needed, print the Sprocket app. Print with the Sprocket app. Charge when needed, print with the Sprocket app. Okay. Put that right back on. Easy. No clue. Does it need to be charged? I think so. They don't give you a cube. I would have liked a cube. But the port is on the side with the little tab. And then there's this thing that looks like a light that I'm assuming is a light, and that's how I know it works. Or maybe this is the light. This is the light. Not sure. Let's check the app out at least. Hello, lots of pictures of my face. And emo Snapchat me. Sticker. Oh my gosh, it's Thanksgiving! Yep, pumpkin pie. This describes me perfectly. Printer. I can also save this photo. Connecting to Sprocket. Oh, it's doing its thing. Go Sprock. Here we go. It's totally a weird color. Why is everything pink? What? Okay, maybe we need a different photo. This one's dark. I took it on Snapchat. It's a lot different lighting. Okay, let's try this one. I like that it is, I can just fling it around. I'm enjoying that. Added to queue. Hello? Do I have to load the smart sheet every time? I'm just gonna print and see what happens. Because if I have to load this sheet every time, that's a little annoying. This is a terrible printer. Okay, maybe I'm just giving it difficult photos. But I chose a dark photo and this photo. I mean, I guess I took them both in the same spot. Like side by side. This one is super pink and very grainy. This one, because it's got that really dark blue filter, it's not as bad, but it really seems to not be good with shading of any kind. And then the blue in my background comes up grainy both times, no matter what. Let's try one more photo. Hello, are you printing? Oh God, it's printing the same photo again. This one, let's print this one. This is me at a show where the DJ was on the thing, on his DJ stand. Here we go. Okay, what is this? Why is it that when I tell it to print one thing, it just like decides to print two? Right? Did you die? You're plugged in. So you have to charge it for a while, but it charges semi-quickly. Enough for it to be used once. Whoa. No. Nope. Not it. My face looks as if I have a beard of fire. The funny thing is, it's just me that looks pretty bad. Maybe it's because the other stuff is so small. Maybe if I take a... What? This is not it, HP. My photo that looks like I printed it back in 1991. I don't understand why it's so blurry. But I'm not trying to be like mean about it. I would probably never use this personally. There's no circumstance where I would want to use these photos. This is a better, cheaper alternative if you're gonna give this to like someone like 10 years old. Yeah, they'll hang these up in their room. They don't care. Well, I didn't care at 10 years old. If I was younger, I wouldn't care. The pictures that they show are like perfect photos. I want to look at the reviews. Did I like miss something? I like this portable photo printer. It does not have the prettiest color, but I had numerous occasions where guests would connect to the printer and print what they like. Everyone enjoyed having a little photo sticker as a souvenir to the event. So that's a good circumstance. If you want to have it for like a little event or a party or something and you want to have this little fun cheeky photo, doesn't matter. I'm a little picky. I want my photos to be good. You get what you pay for. They're not going to be super high quality. Should have read the reviews. It was not worth $129. Out of 10, give it a 5 out of 10. There are uses for it, which makes sense. but anything where you're actually expecting something good from this, and for the price, for what it is, I give it a 5. For the price, I give it a 1. There. 10 sheets of this stuff. I went through 4. If you like this printer, you have to buy more. For 50 sheets, costs $24. I had a terrible experience with this. I'm highly disappointed. I didn't read the reviews, but 4 stars out of 5 makes me think I'm slightly safe. So, that's the end of my mini rant against this nice Sprocket, who, me and Sprock were friends. We're not friends anymore, I'm sorry. You and your speckled turtle body can go back in your box. Subscribe if you want to see more of me in your search feed, and until then, don't buy this. Unless you think that having little quirky photos is a good idea for whatever you're doing. Bye!